Uh, I really appreciate the interactive and engaging session that we had today to learn the various different methods of teaching and also like how we have to develop to adapt to the capabilities of the learners and the students and parents, keeping all things in mind. Thank you for this wonderful session.
Session was very informative, and I learned many aspects of teachers' development, and also there were few things like managing how leadership quality should be there in managing innovation, and how the strategy should be formed for an effective teacher development, and how we can sustain the innovations. That all, and how we can be interactive and encourage our colleagues and everyone in this teacher development.
Very good. Like I got to know some, main thing I understood about the flipped classroom. So I want to introduce that. What I feel is that, because that is that will work out actually.
Thanks for the great session. It was really informative and interactive, as all of us got a chance to discuss among ourselves and also to present what are our ideas, and considering each and everyone's ideas is really great and appreciated during the session. And this is really informative, and we're trying to learn new things day by day, and we'll try to get the same into our practices to see how it works as well. Thank you for the session.
Yeah, the session was great. I like the concepts of this flipped classroom, and when you posed that question, how to make the learners joyful, that was really, thought-provoking, and very nice meeting you all and having an opportunity to interact with you all. It was really nice, and I loved your energy. Thanks for this opportunity.
Session was really very wonderful. I got the idea of different ways of developing the teachers, development of the teachers. Then flipped classroom idea was wonderful, ma'am. Thank you. Really, it was very.
And everyone, yeah. It's insightful, it's always interesting learning with classmates around, hearing from different educator, different perspective, and yeah. And Ma'am Moon, thank you so much for always teaching us very clearly, so much of clarity, eloquence. For me, my biggest takeaway for today would be key elements of teacher development, and especially collaboration and support, and also impact on students' learning.